My name is Vance Culver. I'm a product line manager with Benchmade Knife Company. Today we're talking about the 319-2 Proper. Classic slip joint styled knives have been around for ages, but we wanted to do a modern interpretation of it. So we added high-end modern materials and processes to bring it into the modern era. Machined carbon fiber, CPM S90V for the blade steel. We use stainless steel liners and then coat them with a PVD coating to give it that look, but have increased durability than a standard brass liner. This is a great collector's knife. Both of the blade styles, the 318 and 319, are going to be available. Make a great addition to anyone's collection.